Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing an old favorite of mine. It is a microwave dish called Texas chili. So what are the ingredients in Texas chili? 1.5 pounds of stew meat cut into smaller pieces. And that's almost 3 pounds, so I'll be using a little over half of that. 1 medium onion chopped, 1 medium green pepper chopped, 1 clove garlic minced or pressed, 2 cans chili beans drained or 1 can chili beans drained, and 1 can chili beans not drained. 1 can diced tomatoes, 6-ounce canned tomato paste, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. So let's begin. Alright, so I don't want to date myself, but I bought this pan probably about 35 years ago, back when microwaves was just becoming affordable, and they said you had to have special microwave cookware. So I've been using it mainly for this Texas chili. That's how long I've been making that. It's just perfect for that. It's got a nice lid here. It is stained because with all the tomato sauce and stuff, it does get stained, but I love it. Okay, so I have 1.5 pounds of stew meat. We'll go ahead and dump that in my big bowl. 1 medium onion. And Buddy's wandering around. He just bumped into the tripod, so sorry about that. 1 medium green pepper. And 1 medium clove of garlic. And I minced it. 1 can of kidney beans drained, 1 can of chili beans not drained, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and a lot of times, if I don't have any tomato paste, I will do a 6-ounce can of tomato sauce. That works just as well. 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons chili powder. I have 1.5. 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon salt, or salt to taste if you'd rather, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and the same for that too. Black pepper to taste. And then go ahead and give it a stir. And we'll go ahead and put the lid on. And we'll put it in the microwave. On high for 5 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and give it a stir. and put it back into the microwave. And cook it for 60 minutes at 50% power. Okay, here it is, fresh out of the microwave. Okay, so you can fix this with whatever condiments that you would like. We usually like to have Fritos in the bottom of the bowl. And top it with the chili. And add some cheese with a dollop of sour cream. So here's our Texas chili, and rounding off the meal is mozzarella stuffed garlic sticks. Please give us an honest review on this.
I like it. I would eat this again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.